Hidden in this ancient verse lies the wisdom of Guru Nanak. Realization comes from within. His teachings urge us to seek true knowledge by looking inward, beyond the material illusions of life. Guru Nanak's divine insight is a guide to unlocking the profound tranquility that resides inside each of us. What did Guru Nanak mean by urging us to look within for wisdom? He taught that external possessions and achievements hold fleeting value. True knowledge and peace come from understanding one's soul and connection to the divine. His teachings compel us to explore the inner sanctum of our consciousness, where true enlightenment awaits. In the context of Guru Nanak's time, he witnessed a world fragmented by caste, creed, and conflict. Despite the turmoil, his message of divine unity and inner realization broke barriers, guiding individuals towards a harmonious existence. His philosophy reminds us that peace begins with self-reflection and understanding. This teaching can transform your life. Guru Nanak's emphasis on introspection offers a path to inner peace amidst modern chaos. By delving into your own being and embracing divine love, you can cultivate a life imbued with compassion, contentment, and spiritual depth, carrying Guru Nanak's legacy forward.